Hello students, welcome back to GK's Education. We have come a long way together while doing the studies of 12th class accountancy. So up to this level we have almost completed the partnership accounts, and after this video the first book will be completely done. Part 1 of accountancy will be completely done. So as we have done the last topic, dissolution of partnership firm. So in this video I'm going to show you some practical questions of dissolution of partnership firm, how the questions are there in the paper and how we attempt them. So we are going to do some questions with full adjustments so that you can again have a complete idea of the questions and how we have to solve them. Please, it is again my humble request, please like and subscribe my channel, as I'll be updating all the I'll be posting all the updates regarding the various problems of all the questions of the chapters. So let us come back to the video and do these two practical problems very carefully. So for the first problem, A and B are the partners sharing the profits in ratio 2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 was: bank overdraft, general reserve, investment fluctuation reserve, A's loan, capital account of only A is there, 50,000. A is having a credit balance, and cash in hand 6,000, bank balance 10,000, sundry debtors 26,000, provision for doubtful debts 2,000, investment 40,000, stock 10,000, furniture 10,000, building 60,000. B's capital account, that means it is having a debit balance of 30,000. And now on that date the partners decide to dissolve the firm. A took over the investments at an agreed valuation of 35,000 and other assets realized as sundry debtors full amount. The firm could realize stock at 15% less and furniture at 20% less than the book value. The building was sold for rupees 1 lakh, compensation to employees paid by the firm of 10,000. Thus this liability is not provided is and in the above balance sheet, means it is an unrecorded liability. Then prepare the realization account, partners capital account and the bank account. So here is the solution to this problem, realization account. So first we will transfer all the assets here. Let us check. Debtors 26,000, investments 40,000, stock 10,000, furniture 10,000, building 60,000. So here these are, and then we will transfer all the liabilities here. Check them. Provision for doubtful debts, as we transferred the complete full value of debtors, so provision is transferred here in as a liability. Then bank overdraft, it is very important, bank overdraft is transferred here as a liability. And then investment fluctuation reserve 20,000 is also transferred here. So these are the entries of transfer. After that we will check how we will treat the various transactions. So up to this amount we have transferred all the assets, and now let us check. Investments were taken over by A at 35,000. So by A's capital account investment he has taken 35,000. Then another point comes out to be sundry debtors realized the full amount. So sundry debtors were of here we transferred sundry debtors for 26,000. So for debtors we realized full amount 26,000. Then entry comes out at the stock at 15% less. So earlier the stock was 10,000 and 85% means 15% less means 85%. 8,500 comes out to be here. Then we have furniture at 20% less than the book value. So furniture here was 10,000, so 20% less means 8,000 furniture. and then the building was sold at 1 lakh rupees. So building is here for 1 lakh. And now then the entry for compensation to employees paid by the firm for 10,000. A compensation is to be paid, so that compensations payment is 10,000. And then yes, that's all. And after that another one payment we will make. Here is bank overdraft 30,000. We will also make the payment of this bank overdraft. So the payments will be there. It is the amount realized here, and we will balance the realization account. The profit comes out to be 43,500, and we will transfer it to A and B's capital account in the ratio 2:1. So this is the thing. And then come to the partners capital account. Here the opening balance, credit balance for A, it is here. Then debit balance for B enters here. General reserve in the balance sheet 56,000, transferred in the ratio 2:1. And by realization account the profit is transferred, it is here. Then investment taken over by A 35,000, and then balance the capital account balances comes out to be 81,333 and 3,167. Then all these balances we will transfer them to bank account. Now let us first check the A's loan account. By balance brought down 34,000, nothing is mentioned, so we assume that we have paid the total amount of 34,000. Check out the very important part, balance of bank account. Now in bank account we have cash in hand 6,000 and bank balance 10,000. So both the balances will be recorded, 10,000 and 6,000. Amount realized in realization 1,42,500. It comes out here. And then by realization account the amount paid 34,000, and then 40,000, and then A's loan payment 34,000, and the balance of capital accounts is transferred. If both the accounts are tallied here, it means our question is correct. So this is how we have to completely do realization account, partners capital account, loan account of partner, and then bank account. If both the sides of these enter after transferring the capital accounts of partner, it means our question is completely correct. Now let us check another very good example here. K and A are the partners in firm. They share profits in the ratio 4:1 and decide to dissolve the firm on 31st March 2018. At which date the balance sheet was. Here the balances of assets are given: trademark, machinery, furniture, stock, debtors, provision for bad debts, cash at bank, advertisement suspense, bank loan, creditors for goods, bills payable, capital accounts of both the partners. And the adjustments are: the realization shows goodwill was sold for 1,000, debtors realized at the book value of 10%, and trademarks realized for 800. Machinery and stock in trade were taken over by K for 14,400 and 3,600. An unrecorded asset of 500 was sold for 200. Now prepare another one more adjustment is: creditors for goods were settled at a discount of rupees 80 and expenses of realization were 800. Now prepare realization account, partners capital account, and the bank account. So let us come here. See, we will transfer the assets: trademark 1,200, machinery 12,000, furniture 400, stock 6,000, and then debtors 9,000, the whole value. So all these are the assets that we have transferred. And now come to the liabilities. First liability, provision for doubtful debts. As the full value is transferred there, provision is transferred on the liability side. Now bank loan 1,500. In the previous question we transferred overdraft also. Then creditors 8,000, bills payable 500. So all these were the assets and liabilities transfer, basic closing of accounts. Now come to the adjustments. Goodwill was sold for 1,000. So here no entry of goodwill is done. Then we have debtors realized at book value less 10%. So debtors, yes, goodwill was sold for 1000, so 1000 came on account of goodwill, it is entered here. And then debtors realized at a book value of 10, book value less 10%. So debtors were 9000 less 10%, it comes out to be 8100. Trademark for 800, trademark was sold for 800. And then machinery and stock in trade were taken over by K for 14,400 and 36,000 by K's capital. Both the entries are done, this amount 18,000. And then how things come, unrecorded asset of 500 was sold for 200. So unrecorded assets sale realized 200. Then creditors of goods were settled at discount of rupees 80. Then creditors were 8,000, 8,000 minus 80 rupees discount. Creditors we paid 7920. Bank loan 1500. And then nothing else is mentioned, only the expenses of realization 800. And then bills payable we will also pay, and the payment were 10,720, and here the realization of money was 10,100 and 18,000, etc. So balance the accounts, we will have loss of 820 rupees, which we will transfer, which we will divide in the ratio 4:1. So it comes out to be 656 and 164. Now partners capital accounts. Balance, opening balance is 16,000, 6,000. Advertisement suspense account. So this is advertisement suspense account, it is transferred as reserves, so it is transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Then realization to K in K's account as he has taken over the assets. Then loss is transferred to both the partners. And now we will we can say balance. Here the credit balance comes for A's account, and debit balance comes for B's account. Now we have to transfer. Credit balance is here, so it is transferred in the bank account on credit side, and debit balance for K is there, it is transferred to the bank account on the debit side. Now in bank account we have the opening balance of 2800. So opening balance of 2800. Then realization of money 10,100 is transferred, and then by realization the payment side is transferred. And now tally both the accounts, and both of them will be completely tallied. That means our question is correct. So this was all about the two basic practical questions. I hope you have understood. If any doubt is there regarding any adjustment, you can write down that doubt in the comment box. I hope you are liking my videos. Please do on liking and completing your syllabus. All the best, and please like and subscribe my channel for further updates on your studies. Thank you.